Alright, how are you students? I hope you're fine and you are well. Welcome to our 8th lesson, and today we are going to look at oral skills. And in our today's lesson, we are going to look at something that we really do every single day. And sometimes you might finish it and you are angry. Sometimes you don't want to stop talking to the other person on the other line. And again, sometimes you feel happy after completing or ending that conversation. We're going to look at telephone etiquette. And you know very well what etiquette means. Etiquette refers to everything about manners. How well can we do, or just like the way you want to be treated by another person is the same way you also want yourself to be treated. Now, in telephone conversation, or maybe before we say anything about telephone conversation, there are a few words that you know we refer to them as magical words. And these words contain magic in them for you. And you know what I'm saying? Say please is very important. Say thank you, again, is very important. You want to pass, excuse me, or say excuse. And another one that most of us find it so hard to utter with our mouths is sorry. Very magical words. Anytime we are talking about oral skills and you employ these words, you will find that you will have a very smooth conversation. You will have a very smooth life and also interaction with other people. Because anything about oral skills is how well are we able to communicate and be understood. Because communication does not just mean saying. And remember, we have the verbal and the non-verbal forms of communication. And you might say something, but the other person takes it differently. And then for you to explain it, so to avoid a lot of explanation later, ensure you communicate well. So telephone etiquette. So you say telephone conversation is anything that you do where you have a caller and a receiver. Both of them might be talking about anything that can be discussed. So let's see a few tips about telephone etiquette. So telephone etiquette are the rules that demonstrate the proper and polite way to use, or that is supposed to be used when telephoning. When you are making a call, or you've received a call, what is the best way for you to communicate? And to ensure that the receiver and also maybe the caller is fully satisfied with that conversation. So it starts from how you prepare for phone calls to when you end the call. Remember, you just take up a phone and then you just pick any number there. What you need to do, at least you know who you want to call and why are you calling and the reason as to why you are making that call. So we have said it will all start from preparation all the way up to the end. Preparation up to the end. Now, when we say preparation, what are we talking about? In preparation, so preparation for a phone call, you want to make a call. So the following should be done before placing a call. It's very important before you make a call, you are ready of this. 1, ensure you have enough time. You know, it's very illogical and very insensitive when you just make a call and immediately you make a call, you say, a minute, let me talk to so and so and I'll get back to you. That means you are not prepared. You are not ready to make that call. Again, imagine you make a call before even you introduce yourself, the phone hangs. Reason? You have even never inquired whether you had sufficient airtime in your phone. That is preparedness. take care of those things before making that call. So we have said it's very, very important to make sure that you have enough time, and this will not probably make you end a call suddenly. And again, it's very, very important also to ensure that you've got enough airtime for yourself. Now, what else do we need to do in case we are having anything about this telephone call? Another thing you need to do as you prepare is you need to be in a very conducive environment. You need a serene and a tranquil place to make your call. So go to a place where there is silence. A lot of noise. What have you said? Again. Please repeat. If someone keeps on saying that several times, you'll find that even yourself, you will feel dissatisfied. You won't be happy at all of that call. So, very, very, very important to be in a conducive place where it is cool, it's quiet, and you can be in a position to communicate in the best way you can with the person you call. And then again, can you imagine a situation whereby you made a call, the receiver has received, and then you say hello, and they reply to you, and the next thing you say or tell them is, what was I calling you to say? That will show a lot of madness. In that case, why are you making the call? So, think through exactly what you want to say. Very important. And then write it down if possible, so you don't forget what to say or ask, and look as though you didn't have anything to say. Some people will call with a very serious reason, and then after making the call, what do they say? I was just calling to say hi, right? Because that's the most simple thing to say as a reason, right? And again, you make a call several times, the person is not picking, then what happens? What do? You say, when the person finally receives, you say, how are you doing? I just wanted to know how you are, surely. If a person, you make a call for the first time, it's advisable. Don't make it again, right? Once is enough. If the person has not received the call, probably when they see it, rightfully they are supposed to call you back and inquire what you are saying. Now, we've said that is preparation before making a call. There you are. Now, there are some tips that you need to display, right, when making a call. You are prepared. You know what you have to say. Now, which are these tips that you need to have during the time you are making the call? Now, whether you are at work, are you at home, you might be in school, or on your mobile phone, remember to display some of very important tips that are very important. Number one, always when you make a call, and probably the person you are calling does not have your number. And I think we are seeing these students during our online lessons. You'll find probably someone will call you and says, sir, how are you? And I sent the assignment that we did, and I hope you have received it. That is very wrong, students. This is the time you need to display and show these communication skills that we learn. Make a call. Identify yourself. Very important. You need to identify yourself. So where do you need to identify yourself? I am Suhaila Sadiq, calling from, and you go on. But when you say, teacher, this and this, that is very wrong. And then, after identifying yourself, speak clearly and slowly, especially when leaving the message. The reason for doing that is to make sure that the person who is getting your information, someday need to record it down. Now, if you are there talking in a marathon manner, and the person who is listening to you is recording it, you will find that some of the information might not be recorded. So, to avoid that, it's very important to have it. So we looked at two parts. Identify yourself, very important, please. Don't fail to identify yourself. Speak clearly and slowly, especially when leaving a message. So we're going to stop there for this part, and then we meet in our next part.